Let me walk you through a scenario that happens all the time in our market. I'm Susan Johnston with Iron Valley Real Estate of York County. And if you watch and enjoy this video, please let us know by giving it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this one, then be sure to hit the subscribe button for more Susquehanna Valley real estate news and advice. Picture this: two identical homes on the same street, same square footage, same number of bedrooms and bathrooms, built the same year. Online algorithms say they're worth the same amount, but in reality, one sells for $45,000 more than the other. How is that possible? Here's what makes the difference. One home has a completely renovated kitchen with modern finishes. The other hasn't been updated since 2005. One has finished hardwood floors throughout. The other still has builder-grade carpet. One has a professionally landscaped backyard. The other needs serious TLC. To the algorithm, both homes look identical. Same square footage, same bed and bath count, same neighborhood. This is why algorithms can't replace human expertise. They assume every home is in average condition. But I can walk through your home and tell you exactly what updates will give you the best return. I know which features today's buyers are paying premiums for. And I understand the micro differences in our market that algorithms completely miss. Two identical homes on paper can easily be $30,000, $40,000, or $50,000 apart in actual value. And the only way to know where yours falls is to have a professional actually see it. If you're thinking about selling or just want to know what your home is truly worth in today's market, reach out to me. I'll provide a complimentary analysis that's based on your home, not an algorithm's average.
For all of your Susquehanna Valley real estate needs, contact Susan and Kurt Johnston at Iron Valley Real Estate of York County.